How to enable ultimate performance mode in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete and I'm back with new video. And on this video we will see how we can enable ultimate performance mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you have to navigate to the start icon and Windows icon in Windows 11 and right click on it. Now from this pop-up box in your interface, click on this terminal admin option. Once you open it, now you have to type in this command given in this interface. Now from this power CFG to this B61. So till here you have to type in all this command. Once you're done, press enter in your keyboard. After that, simply close this and again navigate to search bar. And in the search bar, search for control panel and click on it. Now once you get into control panel, navigate to hardware and sound and again click on it. Again under hardware and sound there is a power option. Now under power option there's one more option as choose a power plan. So click on choose a power plan. Now as soon as you get into this interface that says choose or customize a power plan, right under this selected plan section they will have an option as additional plan. Click on additional plan and under additional plan there is an option to enable the ultimate performance in your Windows 11. Now to enable it, simply click and select it. But before that you have to be careful of one thing. Enabling the ultimate performance mode in your Windows 11 requires a high power. So with that on your mind, simply enable the ultimate performance mode. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.